to this video session. Hope you are doing good. Today I am going to explain about IP address, what is an IP address, what is DNS, digital footprints, software piracy, and isolating pipe. So what is IP address? Let us discuss what is an IP address. IP address is a number-based addressing system. Here you can see the IP address that is 63.255.173.183. So IP address is an unique set of numbers. Here you can see there are four sections, and it is separated with dot. So any number, for example, first set of number, it has four set of numbers. First one is 63. So in number, any number, it can be any number between 0 to 255. And IP stands for Internet Protocol. What is protocol? Protocol is a set of rules, and every computer connected with internet has an unique IP address. Okay. So you can see in your class section, every student has unique roll number. So never the roll number of two students never be the same. Similarly, IP address of the computer is unique set of numbers. I hope you understood what is IP address. Next, I am going to discuss about the DNS. What is DNS? DNS stands for Domain Name Server. Domain Name Server. When you visit any website, you see the name like google.com, flipkart.com, facebook.com, etc. So all these numbers, all these name is a domain name. Say you can say it's a domain name, and every domain name is attached with an IP address. So you can also access the domain name with an IP address. So it is based on domain name is based on the character based, and the IP address is number based. When we call in a class, generally we call with a name. You know, so name is, you can say, domain name, and roll number is like a IP address. Understood? Every domain has an unique domain name also, and you can see the google.com, facebook.com, all these are example of the domain name. Okay, so it is used to give name to the IP address so that the user can locate a computer by name. I hope you understood what is the DNS and what is an IP address. Next, I am going to discuss about digital footprint. What is digital footprint? So visit, when you visit, when you walk on sand and look behind, you see the footprints. Similarly, while you access computer, while you surf internet, your record is tracked by your at your every action is tracked on internet. For example, while you are uploading images on social media platform, while going to comment on social media, and also while going to fill the form. No. So in that case, you are going to leave trace, going to leave a mark there. This, on all these activities is stored, all the activity stored in database. So, so basically we can divide the digital footprints in two parts, two sections, active and passive. So what is active? Active, that is, for example, going to fill a form is an example of active. Going to post on social media, this is also an example of active. So, and writing a comment, feedback, when you are going to provide feedback, that is also example of active traces. No. Other hand, passive traces get generated by others or gathered through the user online activities without his knowledge. When you are going to visit the website like shopping website or social media, they track your activity and store the log in database. So this activity, passive data traces generated by without knowing you. Understood? So of your activity is tracked in database. I hope you understood what is a digital footprints. Now going to discuss about what is software piracy. Software piracy. Software piracy is the act of copying and distributing copies of software illegally. So usually you need a license or copyright to copy an original software. Just for example, when you are going to purchase a game CD, you know, and because this is you purchase a single license copy and you make it a multiple copy, you make a multiple copy of this CD and distribute among your friends. So this is the example of software piracy. Also, when you purchase a single license copy and distribute and install it on multiple system, multiple computer, this is also Example of piracy. So always buy a licensed copy of software, never distribute a single licensed copy, and also download a software from manufacturer website. That's good. So always avoid using illegal CD given by your friends to listen your favorite music or watch movies or play games. I hope you understood what is the privacy software piracy. Next, I am going to discuss the next topic, isolating a file. What is isolating? What is isolating a file? You know, isolating a file refers to no, quarantine. Quarantine means isolating a file so that it cannot affect the system. For example, when you are going to scan your system, when you are going to a particular file or folder and you get infected file, you, you get infected files. In that case, you there is an option you can remove it or delete the files or you can make it quarantine. No. So it is encrypted, files are encrypted and stored in a separate place so that will not harm the another files. So isolating means keep the files in another location so that it will not affect the another file or folder. I hope you understood what is isolating a file. Thanks for watching the video.